Hi, I'm Meng from Tokyo. In this video, I will show you 13 tips you should remember with Japan Rail Pass, also known as JR Pass. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter as well. If you're not yet, please follow them. Before started, I'd like to inform you that the JR Pass will undergo changes in price and other aspects from October this year. Therefore, in this video, I will discuss based on the revised version. Okay then, let's go! Number 1. What is JR Pass? JR Pass is a very economical service that allows unlimited train on bullet train, also known as Shinkansen, and other JR-operated transportation throughout Japan. This pass is jointly operated by the 6 JR group of railroad companies. There are 2 types of JR Pass, one for green cars and one for regular cars. The green car is a bit more expensive than the regular car because it offers a spacious and comfortable seat. You can choose between a 7-day, 14-day, or 21-day pass for each. Number 2. Who can purchase JR Pass? Basically, any foreign traveler with a short stay in Japan can purchase the tickets. Also, other Japanese who have lived in a foreign country for more than 10 years are eligible to buy the tickets. Number 3. Where can you buy JR Pass? There are 2 ways to purchase. 1. Online. 2. An overseas JR designated sales office or agency. For online, the step is to purchase tickets in advance online and pick them up on site. For the agency or office, the step is to purchase an exchange voucher in your home country and then exchange it for a JR Pass when you arrive in Japan. You can find information on overseas distributors on the official JR Pass website, so check for distributors in your area. Tickets can be exchanged in Japan at basically any major airport or train station. For example, in the Tokyo area, tickets can be exchanged at Haneda Airport, Narita Airport, Shinjuku Station, and Shibuya Station. Number 4. When can I purchase the JR Pass? You can purchase 3 months prior to the scheduled date of use. In other words, JR Pass must be exchanged within 3 months from the date of purchase at an agency or online. However, the exchange can be made 1 month prior to the date of use. For example, an exchange order issued on 15th April would have to be turned in by July 14th. If the use date is 30th May, the exchange can be made from 30th April. Number 5. How much does it cost? Prices will be increased by 50% each from October 1st, 2023. Let's try to convert Japanese yen to US dollars and euro. The price of a regular class in Japanese yen is 50,000, which is equivalent to 350 US dollars or 320 euro for 7 days. And 80,000 yen, which is equivalent to 560 US dollars or 510 euro for 14 days. The prices will increase from October 1st, but instead, the price list got simpler and easier to understand. Number 6. When you should or should not use JR Pass. For example, let's think about the case of a 14-day tour of Hakodate in Hokkaido, Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima using the Shinkansen and conventional train. Here, because things would get complicated, I'd like to exclude the cost of trains and buses for sightseeing within the city. Let's simulate the case of traveling by Shinkansen and conventional train with unreserved seats. Here is the image. The total amount of 85,470 yen is about 600 US dollars or 550 euros. At this point, the price is higher than the JR Pass price of 80,000 yen. Since other transportation costs for sightseeing in the city will be also involved, the JR Pass is much more economical option in this case. Next, let's simulate the case of visiting Nagoya instead of Hokkaido. The other prefectures and seats are under the same conditions. Let's take a look. The total amount of 44,580 yen is about 310 US dollars or 280 euros in conversion. At this point, the price is higher than the JR Pass price of 80,000 yen. Even taking into account the estimated 20,000 yen for transportation for sightseeing in the city, the cost of the JR Pass will not exceed 80,000 yen. Therefore, if you only plan to tour Tokyo, Nagoya, Kyoto, Osaka, and Hiroshima in 14 days, the JR Rail Pass doesn't seem to have much merit. You can actually use the Navitime Japan application to check the fare of the places you want to visit. Please try to simulate which is more economical, the JR Pass or the regular fare. Number 7. Where can you go with JR Pass? Basically, you can travel all the way across Japan from Hokkaido to Kyushu on routes operated by JR. If the transportation is operated by JR, you can use not only the Shinkansen, JR Limited Express, and conventional lines but also buses and ferries. You can also use Navitime Japan here. Navitime Japan is a recommended application for planning where to go around Japan. By using this, you can check which JR lines are available. Number 8. Where you cannot use with JR Pass. Airplanes, subways, metros, city buses, etc. cannot be used. If you plan to use a non-JR line, you will not need to pay a separate fee. For example, if you plan to go to Ginza, Asakusa, Tsukiji Fish Market, or Roppongi in Tokyo, you will need to use a non-JR line. Specifically, you must purchase an IC card called Welcome Suica or buy a ticket. Number 9. Should I still buy a Welcome Suica even if I have a JR Pass? Whether you should buy it depends on which spots you're going in Tokyo, Kyoto, or Osaka. If you're planning to travel not only a few stations such as Shinjuku, Akihabara, and Shibuya, but also other areas as I mentioned in number 9, it would be very convenient to buy one. Welcome Suica is very convenient, especially when touring several sightseeing spots in Kyoto by city bus. This is due to the fact that sightseeing buses in Kyoto tend to be very crowded. There's one significant concern related to the Welcome Suica. It's valid for only 28 days. Once the Welcome Suica is charged with funds, it becomes non-refundable. Therefore, it's essential to be careful not to charge more money than needed. If you're concerned about the non-refundable aspect of Welcome Suica, you might consider buying a ticket each time instead, even if it requires a little more effort. Number 10. How to activate the JR Pass. The activation date is the date you wish to start using your pass. As I mentioned in number 4 earlier, any date that is within 30 days of the exchange date can be selected as activation. The JR Pass can be activated at the appropriate JR East Travel Service Center or ticket office. All JR offices are located at major airports in Japan such as Narita Airport and Haneda Airport, as well as major train stations in Shibuya, Shinjuku, and Tokyo. All you need to bring to exchange your ticket is your passport and a Japan Rail voucher. JR staff will check your passport for a short stay stamp or sticker. Once your personal information has been verified, please select the activation date for your pass to complete the process. There are two things to keep in mind. The first is that you should always remember to ask for a short-term stay stamp at the airport. Second, JR offices are not open early in the morning or at night. Please check the website in advance for details, locations, and hours of operation of JR offices. Number 11. How to go through ticket gates. Many JR stations have automatic ticket gates. When passing through an automatic ticket gate, insert your JR pass into the ticket slot of the automatic ticket gate. Please note that you cannot pass through an automatic ticket gate marked IC only, just like this mark. Number 12. How to book and issue a reserved seat ticket for Shinkansen. There are two types of seats on the Shinkansen, non-reserved seats and reserved seats. However, if you want to be sure of having a seat, reserved seats are recommended. If you purchase tickets online, you can select your seat in advance on the dedicated Japan Rail Pass reservation website. If you purchase tickets at an agent, you can use an English-speaking reserved seat ticket vending machine. Otherwise, you can also reserve a seat at ticket window called Midori no Madoguchi during business hours. Number 13. Can I reissue JR Pass? The answer is no. The type of pass listed on the voucher cannot be changed, so please be careful not to make a mistake or not to lose your pass. In this video, I explained how to purchase the JR Pass, how to use it, and some important information. I made another video of 5 major changes after October 1st this year, so please check it later.